Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's about to rain, so I'm going to try and do this really quickly. It was super lucky that Mox Motors was out at Rodeo X Rigs, so I picked up 2 of their window wipers. Focus, pretty sick. They got the topo on there. Yeah, super lucky because it's been almost 3 years on the OEM wipers and they're just leaving streaks and they don't work anymore. So we're gonna place them with these. Should be pretty quick, pretty easy. Let's get into it. That was the Mox Motors window wipers install. It was pretty easy, it took about 10 minutes. Just pop the little tab open, pull it down, remove the old OEM wiper, and then pop the tab open on the Mox Motors one, slide it in, put the tab down, and you're pretty much set. I'm really digging the topo. I think I might do headlights with engraved topo or something like that, just like how my buddy Jay or G400 did his. Might do something like that soon, just to match the topo. The thing about these wipers that's pretty cool is you could just replace the rubber wiper part. You don't have to replace the whole wiper. It's $5 on Mox Motors on their website. It's a lot cheaper than having to replace your full wiper with like Rain-X ones, because Rain-X ones are like $30 or something like that. The replacement for these are only $5, so over time will just pay for itself. And I just want to say thanks to Mox Motors for coming in clutch at Rodeo X Rigs. I needed new window wipers and I appreciate it. As always, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concern, leave them down below. If you guys like the video, like the content, hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.